Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. This is a smart lock from WELOCK, and they got in touch with me and said, you know, are you interested in having one of these? And I said yes. I thought, yeah, okay, brilliant. They didn't ask me to do a review or anything, they just offered it to me. And that sometimes happens. Like, I've had companies just say, do you want this? In the hopes that I might review it, and so on and so on. But I don't always, you know, if it's something that's not for the channel, I'm not going to show any kind of, there's no point just putting it on online for the sake of putting it online. However, this is something I'm pretty, I enjoy having, is extra security. That's why I love CCTV cameras and various other things. Now, I live in a very safe place anyway, but it's nice to just have that peace of mind. And so when they'd offered this to me, I was like, well, okay, you know, I'll give it a go. And so basically I'm going to install it and review it, and hopefully it's as good as it's sort of touted to be, because these I've had a look at online and they are highly recommended. And I think that's why they said, you know, if you like it, you know, you can review it if you want, but don't worry about it, have it, you know, because they know how good it's going to be. But yeah, so I'll just install it and we'll see if it's any good. Before I get on though, I'd just like to thank my patron, Darren. Dude, you've been with the channel for so long and I super appreciate it, I really do. If you'd like to join him, all the links are in the description, but don't feel like you have to. Money's tight for everyone at the moment. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here it is, and let me remove the packaging so we can actually read what it says. It's got fingerprint unlock, password unlock, app unlock, RFID card unlock, Wi-Fi box unlock, and mechanical key unlock. So there's quite a few ways of unlocking it once you know what you've got to do. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, we'll have a look at the instructions in a minute. Okay, it's pretty well packed, to be completely honest. There's our keypad, our keyhole slots. That's a beefy bit of kit, that is. It all feels pretty good. It all feels very, very strong. Like, well built, I should say. Now, I'm not going to show you the keys, as I'm not an idiot. I've been on the internet long enough to know what not to do. Okay, and then, oh, these are the RFID tags. Yep, we'll leave that there. But there is a little Allen key there as well. So we've got a nice little thumbnail here, but let's have a look at then at the actual instruction manual. It's a very, very well written set of instructions. Yeah, extremely, extremely well written. This is the sort of thing that's been written so that any sort of intelligence, any level of competence, any, do you know what I'm trying to say? Any level of skill can read this and know exactly how to do this. But it does seem fairly straightforward to install, actually. It's not something I'm very good at, but I'm sure with the instructions the way they're written, it shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is add some batteries, and that is straightforward. It's probably much more straightforward while it's not on the door, so we'll do that now. Okay, that's one thing I quite like, is it's got a cover on it, so when you take it out when it is on the door, they don't go everywhere. It's, you know, easier to manage. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty easy to put together. Quite like that. Hoping no alarms go off. Okay. Okay, default language is English, and the initial unlock test, press any button to wake it up and then press 1 through 6. Perfect. Okay, so it does work. And now it should be locked. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. I really like that. Oh, one other thing I really like is the blue top here. We got a black one here if we want to change it to be all black, which I think is really cool. Okay, so to put in the new password, you press any button. You press unlock, unlock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock, unlock. And then you put in a new password. Press unlock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unlock. Okay, so that should now be the new password. So let's have a look. Any number, any button. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you go. That's super simple to do. One of my favourite things with this is you can have up to 190 users, all with different passwords, so you don't have to give away a password. You can have an admin password, then user passwords and all sorts. So I think it's a really cool idea, especially for on the, on a building where you've got employees coming in and out and stuff. You don't have to let them have any kind of codes that you don't want. It's very simple, and I've now set it up to my new password, so that's now not for your eyes at all. But I'm just going to continue to look through the instructions. But it is so well written out. It's made it so that literally it's in order of what you need to do. It's super simple. Okay, so obviously you have fingerprint, you have code, and you have passkey, like as in RFID. But also underneath here, I believe there is a keyhole. Yeah. So underneath there, you've got the keyhole as well. I'm actually going to use the black one on there because I think it will look more stealthy and more hidden. Perfect. Right, before we install this, we need to just remove the handle. This is the indoor handle, and we're just going to take this off to allow us to be able to put this through the door. I started by removing the old handle, door handle, but you may not have to. Mine was quite an old door and the lock had actually got stuck in place, so I found removing the handles first just allowed me to get a little bit more extra wiggle room. So once the screws are undone, I just removed them out the way, then gave it a good old clean down. And I always think that if you're gonna be taking bits off, you might as well clean it, and the outside was much worse than the inside, obviously. Now remove the screw in the centre of the locking mechanism, and this is what holds the lock in place. Once that's out, put the keys in and wiggle them around, and it will allow the lock to come straight out. Now with the new lock, you can actually make it longer or shorter depending on how your locking mechanism is, and this allows you to be able to fit it exactly to your door. So just keep twisting it until it's the exact right distance, and I'll show you what I mean. The internal lock mechanism needs to line up with the actual lock. Once that's happened, it should lock and unlock perfectly like that, and make sure you test before you do any further. And then I'm screwing the handles back on. As I say, you may not have had to at this point. So once they're screwed on, I'm going to remove the bit of the sticker I need. I don't need the whole sticker off, so I've actually cut round the door handle to make it so that it's the exact size I need, because there's no need to have the whole sticker off because it would have just picked up dirt from outside. But now I will place it on. Obviously, please make sure everything's lined up working first. But once that's done, I push it in, and that is now stuck down. Screw back in the screw that holds the lock in place. Always testing every part of this. Just keep testing, making sure you haven't got anything out of alignment and so on. And once it's done, check it. Perfect. Still working perfectly. Now all I need to do is put the indoor handle on and take the bit of cellophane off, and we are done. Just checking it works, which it does. Now let's look at all the ways you can unlock it. Okay, so I understand why they didn't want me to, or didn't ask me to sort of review it. They knew that I'm going to enjoy it and want to review it because it's just a great product. Very intuitive, very easy to put in and install kind of thing, and extremely easy to unlock and lock as long as you've got the right key or key fob or code, etc. Anyway, very, very good, very, very useful bit of kit. And if you like it and everything, all the links are in the description. And I'll try and get some money off if I can. I'll try and put a little coupon code or whatever I can find there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Darren for being my patron, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye for now.